In this tutorial, we will be showing you instructions on how to place your Obot tokens on a decentralized Metamask wallet, how to convert your Obot tokens from the Ethereum network to the BNB Smart Chain and Polygon networks on multichain.org. For your convenience, the content of the tutorial is included in timestamps in the description section. This tutorial is intended for users with an above-average cryptocurrency knowledge, and please use the bridge only if you need to convert your Obot tokens to BNB Smart Chain and Polygon networks. Let's begin the tutorial. Step 1. Go to metamask.io, click Download Now, and install Metamask in your web browser. As you can see, there are 4 web browser options including Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. For security reasons, we recommend that you do not install Metamask on your frequently used web browser. This time we have prepared the tutorial on the Brave browser. Step 2. After installing Metamask in your web browser, you will be automatically greeted with a Welcome to Metamask homepage. You will then have 2 options, 1. To restore the old wallet and 2. To create a new wallet. In this tutorial we will show you how to create a new wallet. After you enter your new password, Metamask will give you the secret recovery phrase with 12 unique phrases. These 12 phrases are for you only, so we recommend that you keep them in a safe place. After that, you can type the 12 phrases in order and click the Confirm button to successfully install the Metamask wallet. Step 3. Your wallet on Metamask will be automatically connected to the Ethereum network. Now let us give you instructions on how to add your Obot token to this wallet. To do this, go to coinmarketcap.com and copy the Ethereum address from the contracts section of the Obot token. Then go to your Metamask wallet, click on Import Tokens, then go to the Custom Token menu and paste the address code copied from CoinMarketCap. This will show you how many Obot tokens are in your wallet. To withdraw your Obot token from your central exchange to your Metamask wallet, go to the wallet of your current exchange, withdraw your Obot token by selecting the ERC20 network, copying and pasting the address of your Metamask wallet, and entering the number of tokens to transfer. Please note that the maximum and minimum transfer amounts and related fees vary depending on the exchange. After some time, you will see the transferred amount of Obot tokens on your Metamask wallet. Now you have successfully placed your Obot tokens in a decentralized crypto wallet from a centralized exchange. If you intend to trade your Obot tokens on the BNB Smart Chain and Polygon networks, we are pleased to announce that the bridge is available. Please note that in order to use the bridge, you will need to deposit a small amount of Ethereum tokens through your ERC20 network to pay gas fees from your Metamask wallet. Step 1. You can go to multichain.org, press Enter app, and connect your Metamask wallet. You then have the option to convert the Obot token from the Ethereum network to the BNB Smart Chain or Polygon networks using the multi-chain bridge. We can now enter the number of tokens to be transferred from one network to another. Note that an acceptance fee and gas fee will be charged from the Ethereum stored on your account, and you can increase the transfer speed by clicking the Edit button on the Estimated Gas Fee menu. We recommend you use the fastest route for reliable transfers. In addition, a cross-chain fee of 0.1% of your transfer amount will be charged from the transferred Obot amount. The minimum cross-chain transfer amount is 783 Obot tokens. The average conversion time between networks will take 10 to 30 minutes. Cross-chain transfers of more than 78 million Obot tokens will take up to 12 hours. Step 2. To add the BNB Smart Chain network on Metamask, go to bscscan.com and click the Add BSC Network button. You can also go to polygonscan.com and click the Add Polygon Network button to add the Polygon network to your Metamask as well. You can then go to coinmarketcap.com. Copy the BNB Smart Chain address from the contracts section of the Obot token. Then go to your Metamask wallet, click on Import Tokens, then go to the Custom Token menu and paste the address code copied from CoinMarketCap. When converting to the Polygon network, please do the similar. After some time, you will see the transferred amount of Obot tokens on your Metamask wallet. Now you have successfully transferred your Obot tokens from the Ethereum to the BNB Smart Chain network on your Metamask wallet.